Hi everyone, this is Miss Christ and my buddy Rohan. You say hi, Rohan? Hi. Sorry we don't get to have art class in person the next few weeks, but thankfully we get to do it by video. So I was thinking kindergarten, first grade, second grade, and third grade could all do the same project. The third graders could just do a little bit harder steps and the kindergartners can do more simple steps. So I've been missing the sunshine because it's been really cloudy and I was thinking, I just can't wait until the sun shines and it gets warm again and we can all go outside and enjoy God's creation. So this first week I thought we could make a self-portrait, a picture of yourself wearing sunglasses. And the fun thing with the sunglasses is, I don't know about your sunglasses, but my sunglasses show a reflection. You can see my messy house. So Rohan wanted to wear my sunglasses too. Silly boy. Rohan. What are some things that you enjoy doing outside in God's creation? Do you like playing baseball? Do you like to pick some flowers or play soccer? I like to golf. So in my project, I don't know if you can tell, but that's a golf course. And right here, whoa, that's the flag. So I decided to do a golf course. And I'm excited to see all the different things that you could do. So in just a second, I'm going to show you some things that we can do step by step to make your self-portrait. Okay, so here are your learning targets for this project. The first is, I can use lines and shapes to draw a picture of myself wearing sunglasses. 2, I can draw a reflection in the sunglasses that shows something I love to enjoy in God's sunny creation. Can't wait to see how you guys do those things. Before we get started with the step-by-step, I wanted to read for you guys a verse from Jeremiah 31, verse 35. It says, "Who gives the sun for light by day, and the fixed order of the moon and the stars for light by night? Who stirs up the sea so that its waves roar? The Lord of hosts is his name." And that is the God that we get to serve, our Creator, who made us to create too. So in this project, we are going to be beauty creators. We've talked a lot about this year, how we can make beautiful art and be creators just like God made us to be. And also, because we're talking about the sunshine and getting outside in God's creation, we are going to be creation enjoyers. So I can't wait to see how you are going to include being a creation enjoyer and beauty creator in your sunglasses project. Let's get started. All right, so the things that you are going to need for this project is a piece of paper. I'm just going to do it in my sketchbook. So if you have a sketchbook, you could do that too. And you're going to need a pencil, maybe an eraser if you have one. And the first thing you want to do is think about your head shape. So what shape would you say is your head? It could be a circle. The kindergartners have been talking a lot about using simple shapes to make pictures. So you can make a circle for your head. Sometimes people say an oval. So you could make an oval. Or if you want to try something a little bit harder, the second graders have been talking about maybe making an egg shape. like an upside down egg. So if you go really slowly, whoop, kind of made a little weird chin. Looks a little alien-like. You just erase that. He's got a little bump over there. That's okay. That's what erasers are for. All right, so something kind of like that. What I do want to see is you've got this nice big piece of paper, and we always talk about filling up the whole paper. So it's not just super tiny on the big page, but use all the space that you have. All right, so once you have your head shape, you are going to start drawing your face. So maybe it would be helpful if you were sitting in front of a mirror, or if you had a picture of yourself. But let's go ahead and start with our eyes. You're not really going to see your eyes, so I guess that's a little bit tricky. But again, if you're in second grade, you know that the eyes should go right in the middle. So I just measured out half and half. That's where my sunglasses are gonna go. So I'm looking at a picture of myself when I made this one, wearing my sunglasses. So I went ahead and kind of sketched out where my sunglasses went. I like to draw super, super light, right? Until I know it's absolutely right. Okay, so now that I have this shape over here, I want to do the exact same thing on this side. Does anyone know? There's a big fancy word for making the same thing on one side as there is on the other. I think we talked a lot about this in first grade. If you said symmetry, ding, 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 you're correct. Okay, so it's kind of hard to make some symmetry sometimes. So that you guys can see what I'm doing, I'm way off to the side. So I'm gonna get my head in the way here and see what I'm doing. Let's see. I think I made this side too small, so I gotta make it a little bit bigger. Let's measure with my pencil. It might not be perfect, but that's all right. Okay, so now I've got my sunglasses. The nose, we're just gonna do a really simple nose. I kind of like to say, make parenthesis marks. And we all have a little bit of nostrils.